guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making potato wedges. So for this we'll be needing 5 potato slices. Joking. 4 potatoes. So these potatoes have to be cut in this shape, beautiful book shape. And so basically you have to take 1 potato and you can only make 8 slices out of 1 potato. You cannot change it or else they won't get this shape. Okay, so that means 32 pieces of wedgies. Okay, apart from that, we will be needing 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, half teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of suji, and 1 cup of hot water so the suji can cook. This is actually lukewarm. Let me see. I'm gonna start by adding all our dry ingredients into this bowl. Just mix them well. And while mixing this, I'm gonna add in our water. I'm just gonna add this much. Just mix it in. Potatoes have to be 80% boiled and the rest of the 20% will be cooked during frying. Right here, this is not what we want. We do not want it to be so thick that it doesn't even get off the spoon. We want it to be very thin and not thick. You want ribbons to fall. So I'm just gonna continue doing this until I can see ribbons. Now I can see it's become very thin and this is what we want. And you can also see that I did not use the whole cup of water. I used around 3/4 cup of water. So now we're going to be putting our potato wedges into this. And I'm just going to take this out. I'm going to do this with the rest of my potatoes, so I'll see you when all of them are coated. After putting the spices on the potato slices, I refrigerated this for 30 minutes. Now we're going to fry this. So I have a pan here and some oil and I've preheated this. I'm just going to pick one up and put them in one by one. So I'm just going to fry all of these until they have a nice golden brown outer cover. So these are the potato wedgies. One batch is still frying back there, but we're gonna taste these.
Ooh, my taste buds are.
Ooh, hot. Here, hot first.
Yeah.
These are really hot, and I can feel the crunch.
I am not.
Like when you go to Pizza Hut, they give you potato wedgies. It feels just like that. Now let's see about the taste.
Too hot.
Hard, but good. You can see it's soft from the inside and like really crispy from the outside, especially from the potato skins. And like, these taste amazing.
Oh my god.
These taste amazing. You guys should really try this recipe at home.
Oh my god, I ate such a hot piece.
Yeah, and if you do,
but it's still good.
Yeah.
Oh.
If you do this recipe at home, then please tell us in the comments down below. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!